Hello, good people of the internet.
Hi everyone, how are you?
I hope the sound is okay. I'm just gonna make a quick test on my phone. If you're around, say hi. What kind of a setup is this, dude?
You need to look into the camera.
Yeah, that's right. Hey guys. 1 second.
Yeah, let us know if you hear us.
Yeah, please. Somebody send a heart on the chat. Shout out to my man, whoever sent the heart.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Hey,
Hi.
1 second. I'm gonna do a little sound test. I'm gonna mute here and try to play it here, which doesn't work.
Why are you doing the sound test if they hear us?
Yeah, I just want to check if the music level is high enough. Because there's music playing. I mean, I hope. You can also check from there. Sounds good from Kenya, Africa. Shout out to my man, Albastus. If he says that the sound is good, it's good. You don't need to check.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Why are you going to LinkedIn?
This
guy just accepting job offers while we're in the live stream. But
maybe I was sharing the stream. I'm not doing anymore.
sorry, you can go. Guys, give me a second. Give me just a second.
Say that you trusted him, but you don't.
Yeah. Just double check every time, all right?
Okay.
The legendary duo. What do you think about us being in a luxurious hotel doing five-star streams? It's the part
I think
two.
it's great. Yeah, best part of the conference.
Yeah, this is why we come here.
Yeah, best time I had in Italy in my whole life.
Yeah, really. Not really, but okay. Let me just scroll here. 4 people watching, shout out to you. What do you think about my t-shirt, by the way?
Where did you get it? Wow, fancy.
Guys, get it.
It matches with the mic color.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if it's visible yet.
It's quite a nice t-shirt. I don't know if you guys know about this, but yeah.
Cool company, yeah.
Yeah, cool.
So I have the GoLab Rustlab t-shirt because we're Rustlab, but we're gonna write Go. So I thought
it's actually Go like Rustlab and GoLab, so it actually fits the theme.
Yeah.
GoLab. We're actually here for the GoLab. If anyone is wondering, I submitted a workshop for Go.
Yeah.
So no more Rust.
No, that's it.
We're
done.
Yeah, I'm done. I hope some people from Charm will actually tune in because I'm looking for a job now. I'm gonna join a cool Go company. So
yeah. I attended a workshop about ratatouille, but after that
done.
I hate Rust.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, okay.
So now I want to give Go a try and Charm.
Yeah, guys.
That's the real story.
Yeah, you know how it is. Like you never know what will happen next. So just go, people. Now, enjoying life.
Yeah. No more borrow check. Yeah, it's over.
Only if error nil checks. No more borrow checks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a Turkish comment here.
Okay.
He
What did he say?
If Rust is closed, like.
It's close to my heart.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No. He asked if it's like no more available, like closed, as in like.
Closed source.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
No.
Kinda. So
It's more open than ever.
yeah. For me, it's Go now. Sorry.
You guys are using the TV version mode.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
except the other TV. We have now Orhun can afford the TV, and so we're doing upgrades now. Yeah.
Upgrades because we need to look up. So you know, and I didn't have the HDMI cable, so I asked the organizers for it. You know, it's the grind.
Small steps.
Small steps. I'm gonna actually share my screen, but
yeah,
I'm just waiting. Kenya, we good? Good to hear, man. I'm trying to not look up so much. I'm trying to look here. It's a bit hard.
Now we need to look at the screen because we need to write some Go. We need to look at our screen now. So.
Oh yeah, right. But I'm just waiting actually because I said 10.
Okay.
So we have like a couple of minutes to kill.
Should we like install the Go toolchain and stuff like that? Or?
It's just Pacman Go probably, but yeah, sure. Okay. Show us the Go. Okay, people ask for the Go. All right, we're gonna look at the Go stuff now. See. Okay, this is the wrong screen. Hold on. I need to. It's a little inconvenience. Little inconvenience happening, but we're gonna figure it out.
Okay,
now we got it. All right, so installing Go. I'm gonna first make my font size bigger.
Yeah, way bigger.
Yeah, it should be big.
Doesn't like Ctrl+ work?
It works, but what happens if I open up a new terminal?
Ah, okay. Yeah, makes sense.
But you know, it's all about experience. Like I'm
assuming
assuming for what, like 10
yeah.
years, like at this point. So
you're getting good.
I'm getting good.
Yeah.
What if ratatui was written in Go? What would it be called? Bubble tea. No, just kidding. Don't get offended. I don't know. What would you call a Go TUI library? There's no like, there's no like we took the name ratatouille, so there's no like good names out there anymore.
Yeah,
so it's just
exactly.
Yeah, sorry, it's not possible. So watch Linux, by the way. Go, by the way. No, there's.
By the way, confuses Google. Oh yeah, that's Go.
Okay, Go package.
Okay.
Just install Go, I guess.
Do you have it already? Check.
Probably.
Do like Go version?
Yeah, I have it, but I'm going to reinstall it. Guys, this is like a step 0. So install Go. Go. What is the version? Go version? Okay, Go version is, what is the latest Go version, by the way?
I think it's
Golang.
I can check these things on the side, by the way.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Latest Go version. Actually it's like 1.23.3.
I have the 2.1.
So Arch is outdated.
Oh man. Arch is not outdated. My system is probably outdated, but
because you didn't do Pacman update.
I didn't.
No, the -u. What is it?
-SYU. So I didn't do it. That's why. But it's fine, right? I mean, still one patch.
I think nobody will die. Yeah.
You read my mind. I will also be taking a break from Rust. Frontend Master has a very good intro course. Is it for Go? You mean? Probably, right?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're joking. Like personally, of course, I'm not taking a break from Rust.
This guy works at Rust Foundation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to use Charm and Bubble Team. No, like talking seriously, this is interesting because like it's nice to see how other languages work, and also like I'm getting interested in TUIs since I attended the Orhun workshop at Rustlab, so I want to see also how Go TUI work. I think this Charm is great, so I want to have a look.
Yep. So this is the library that we're gonna take a look at today. Sorry, this one.
Bubble tea, okay.
Yeah, this is the Charms website. By the way, just a very quick thing that I want to say. Take a look at this, and also take a look at this. You need to improve the Ratatui's website now.
One feedback that I want to give is that when you go to the widgets, like you should have images for everything so that it's more clear.
Yeah, I mean, there's like too much text and too much code, I think. Did you see the latest GIF thing that we...
Yeah, I saw it.
So
it's beautiful. Yeah.
I'm actually thinking of putting this on the main page.
Yeah,
with some demo, maybe something like this, but kind of better, and just removing all the text. Like there are too much text here. Maybe make it more minimal.
Yeah.
Remove this sidebar, make it hidden, stuff like that. Basically, I want to make it look like this and like kind of prettier.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm not a designer.
Yeah, but just saying.
I just want to see the preview of the widgets.
Yeah, that's fair. So bubble tea does not have. What's happening?
It's Jaga said Marco Ianni 2025 Golang DevRel at Google. Absolutely, yes.
Gonna happen after Rust Foundation. You just gotta step up your game a bit and aim for the higher, you know?
Right, absolutely.
Yeah. So bubble tea does not have a dedicated website. There is just one GitHub repo, and we can probably start from the tutorial, or we can maybe look at the Elm architecture. Do you know the Elm architecture?
Yeah, like it's Elm is that front-end framework. I saw a demo once, but not really. A view model update, yeah, something like that. We're gonna get it. Don't worry. Like basically you update some stuff and the view automatically updates.
Yeah. There's one blog post that I read about bubble tea, and that's all I know. And that is,
you know more than me.
Yeah, because I just read one blog post, and it's this one. So if anyone is interested in just not just writing. Not writing the TUI, like writing the code, but like the approaches in the bubble tea. It's a good one. It was a really good one because this guy basically created a TUI with bubble tea and shared it, and people gave him some feedback, and then after that, based on the feedback, he wrote this blog post. For example, maybe it will be nice if I just go over what I already know.
Is it from the authors of bubble tea?
No.
Or it's just one person trying it?
Yeah, just a random guy. Hello, it's going good. I'm with my best friend Marco. He accepted to join my stream, so
of course,
we just chilling. Yo, Bartek, what's poppin'? So bubble tea has so I'm gonna go over these points. So first of all, I think there will be an event loop, obviously, and
similar to Ratatui.
Yeah, similar to Ratatui, and it uses some model update stuff. Probably, I don't know. We'll see. And going on to the next point, I'm gonna skip this and stuff. So there is the script that he uses to live reload code changes. In the Rust world, we use
like
cargo watch or bake.
Yeah.
This is a bit, I think, heavy for now. I don't know. I don't remember this point, but it's about architecture. Were you gonna make a PC bomber with Golang? Stupid, don't ask me how I know. What is PC bomber?
Yeah, I don't know. I was going to ask you.
That's a bit scary. Like, what do you mean? Software burden. Yeah, absolutely. Like, look at us. We just very intimate. We're just sitting and learning Go. Anyways, moving on.
There's nothing more intimate than this.
Yeah, absolutely. This is about message passing. I think there's not much that we can take from here actually right now. But it was a good read, because now that I know the internals of Ratatouille, this was a kind of an eye-opener to what happens in the Go world. But I think we should just take a step back from this. I just gonna start with the story. But this is also interesting because if you remember the alternate screen and row mode stuff from Ratatouille, like restoring the terminal, it's the same in bubble tea as well, because this is about basically just with alternate screen and then recovering that and so on.
I didn't get this. So what's recovering the memory?
So
like going exiting from the TUI?
Yeah, and then going
okay.
back to the previous like buffer in the terminal. So you have one buffer that you're currently using, and then when you run the TUI, you have another buffer.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, basically that.
Can you like spawn a TUI from a TUI?
Yeah.
So you can exit and you it's like
Yeah,
Windows.
yeah.
Ah,
So
cool.
for example, you can actually do that inside Binsider. So when I run this, there's this TUI, right?
Yeah.
And I'm analyzing the binary itself. So in dynamic, when I press enter, it will run the same. I mean, hopefully it will run.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, so this is a new buffer, and then yeah, you can exit from this and you go back. Okay.
Yeah. So wait. Actually, maybe it's about Zelish. Because I okay. Hold on. Can you run it? I don't know.
I got the idea.
Yeah. You can like. Spawn.
Okay.
I mean, if you think about multiplexers, they are like spawning TUI inside TUI.
Right.
You bomb a PC over the network with packets or any website. It's like a DDoS attack.
Okay.
Guys, we're not doing illegal stuff in the stream, so please don't. There are some higher ups from Charm and Google watching, probably Rust Foundation too. So
hopefully not.
Hopefully not. But yeah, okay. Going back. So what do I need to do first, Marco?
So first, I would like create a new Go project. Don't ask me how because I don't know. You can ask chat. And then I copy paste the first thing.
Okay.
So this is the import. Yeah.
So I'm gonna copy paste this. Like you said, in the Elm Architecture, it's like init update view. So init runs the command, runs the first command.
Okay.
Function, and then update handles the incoming events. And view is basically rendering them.
Okay, I think in the architecture it was model, not init. But yeah.
Yeah. Okay, should we just do that then?
Yeah.
Okay, make there go. Okay, bubble tea maybe. How do I create a new Go project?
I'm googling how to write Go code. Okay, create a file named
What?
hello. I'm gonna ask chat.
There should be cargo new, like Go new or something. Go. Okay,
Is there?
Go new. Okay, maybe Go does not have Go. Does Go have like a manifest? It has Go mod file, I think. But that's not a manifest. That's dependency stuff. I don't know. Does anybody know? Oh my God! This guy just sent us money. It was not needed, but thanks, man.
Go mod init.
Okay, go mod init.
And project name.
Shout out to Mehmet Mert Gündüz, you're my man.
Thank you,
Go
Mehmet.
mod init. Initialize a new
No,
domain.
you need to give the name.
Okay, so what's the name? What are we building? Good question.
Oh yeah, go mod init my package name. Yeah, thank
Guys,
you, Java.
what should we build?
I think we'll follow the tutorial. Let's see.
Okay. Go beer.
Okay.
Go beer. Okay, got it.
What? Okay.
Create the Go mod file.
Now you can. Why it says Go? Like, is this the file?
Yeah, this is the file.
It's the Go. Okay.
Go mod file. So
now
this is like the manifest.
Create a file named main.go.
Okay. Main. Why donation is not available?
And then you can copy paste what you are in bubble tea.
What do you mean donation is not available? Can't you donate? You can join my GitHub sponsors. So if you want to donate, it's like send me I don't know, like a couple of $100 per month. Join my Discord. You know how it is. I'm gonna paste my Discord here. 1 second. 1 second, everybody. Now that we have 15 people watching, it's time to plug it. There you have it. So after that, what do we do? Run it.
So you need the main function probably. So func main.
Okay. Func. That's funky. No pun intended.
And then fmt dot println. Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay.
So how do we run it?
Go run main.go.
Okay, go get whatever. I need to run that, I guess.
Yeah.
Shameless self ad. Yeah. We can actually insert ads into the live stream. So you know how it is. If you get any ads playing, that's because of us. It's not like YouTube just randomly inserting. I'm just deliberately pressing insert ad.
Does YouTube insert ads if you don't?
No.
Okay.
Maybe. I don't know. I have never watched myself. Or I don't have experience.
You don't watch your lives. Okay.
No. Just live stream and that's it. So go get. This terminal is too small.
Can't you copy paste?
This is a learning experience, Marco.
Okay,
You need to
right,
type everything. Okay, it created go sum file.
Okay. Looks like a cargo.lock. Yeah, it's like a log
They
file.
just stole the cargo log.
Okay. So we can do go run main.go.
Okay.
Is this your first Go program?
No, I built a TUI with it before. Shameless.
Oh.
Shameless. But it was like... It was...
Were you using this library?
No.
Wow, we are like 300 stars.
Yeah.
Like this. Okay. Like random project.
It looks like this. It was not good.
But you used the bubble tea?
No,
No.
I didn't use bubble tea. I
okay.
used something else. I don't remember.
Okay.
I used the term UI.
Okay.
And
Okay.
yeah, it's old, man. It's like 5 years ago. So
Nice. Okay.
I don't remember anything about Go. So it's like a fresh start for me.
Mehmet donated other one.
Okay, man. Thank you. I guess. Wish you a nice stream. Have a nice night. You too, man. Take care.
Thank you.
So go run. OS is imported and not
yeah, like unused imports are like an issue. Like they are actual errors, not warnings in Go.
Why?
I don't know. It's something I don't understand. But yeah,
how do I make it shut up?
just comment them. Comment comment OS, and probably also.
How do I add comments in Go? Is it no?
I think // It's like C.
Okay.
Yeah, we did it.
Yeah. High five, guys. Thanks for tuning in.
Okay.
So why do they advise us to import OS?
Because like it's now they're going to give us the model and so on. We just need to follow this.
Okay, let's follow it. Okay, let's start by defining our model, which will store our application state. It can be any type, but abstract usually makes the most sense.
I agree.
Good, approved by Marco. So we're gonna
just.
So what do we want to build as? We're just gonna follow this.
Yeah,
okay.
follow.
Okay. So
and then we're going to play with it. Probably.
Yeah. So this is an array. Choices cursor. This cursor which. So it's like an index.
Ah, cool. It's like a to-do list.
And which to-do list?
Yeah, it's like a multiple choice.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Next, we'll define our application's initial state. In this case, we're defining a function to return our initial model. However, we could just easily define the initial model as a variable elsewhere too.
Okay.
Where should I put it? Is there a convention for like placing stuff?
Just go wild. Yeah.
Just go wild. No pun. Okay, got the initial model then. Where is cursor? Is it 0's default? There's no cursor.
Maybe, yeah, you're right. So, okay, model is the struct name. Okay, yeah.
That's super confusing.
Because
no, that's
they don't use the, so in Rust they use the, it should be like capital M.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, we're not here to judge.
Yeah, we're accepting it.
Yeah, exactly.
We accept.
We just want to get things done.
Yeah. Okay. I'm a bit curious about the cursor though. There's no cursor in this.
Yeah, maybe it's 0 initialized. You're right.
Okay.
Maybe you need to install the Go LSP in theory, but yeah.
Good idea. Good idea. Let's actually do that. Go LSP. Which one?
I have no idea.
Go please. Official Go language server developed by the Go team.
So Jaga said that the cursor defaults to 0. Okay, thank you, Jaga. Do you recommend Go LSP?
Go please.
If we did the wrong choice with Go please, let us know.
Yeah, please. Linter, maybe Go spell. I don't know.
Go please. Okay, we did the right choice.
Okay, cool.
If Jaga says that it's Go please, we did the right choice.
Okay. Thank you for confirming. And which linter is there?
We are too good with middle linter, I think.
Okay. Good. Format.
Format. Yeah, go.
Why there are so many options?
Yeah. What is no? I thought it was called like Go FMT.
It is, but okay, maybe it will just work with the LSP itself.
Yeah, so. Go FM. Yeah, it just works.
Okay,
yeah.
LSP start. And do I have tree setter for this? Go. I think I have it. So now we have LSP, I guess.
Okay. Let's try cursor. Let's try to initialize it to 1, for example. See if it auto completes. Yeah.
It was probably Go pilot. Let me just run it. Okay, cool. But now we have LSP.
Okay. Perfect. So we can go ahead with the GitHub readme.
So we are initializing it, and then next define init method. This is getting super confusing for some reason. Init can return a command that could perform some initial IO. For now, we don't need any IO, so for the command, we'll just return nil, which translates to no command. So no options, just returning nil.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't know how to feel about it, but all right. No judging.
No IO right now, please. Okay.
So now we need to go to the update method. Update method is called when things happen. Its job is to look at what has happened and return an updated model in response. You can also return a CMD to make more things happen, but for now don't worry about that part. So it's like an event handler.
So I think it takes a model and returns a model.
It takes a message. No, what is this?
Yeah.
This is
this is the return type, so it returns the model.
It takes a message and returns the model. So
but yeah, I don't understand this syntax. Why there are two
yeah, me too.
pairs of
I don't know.
parentheses.
I think it was about okay, I know. This is like impl model. So it's like a method of the model.
Okay.
Super weird, I know. Just Rust.
It's just a different syntax. We're not used to it.
Yeah. That's why, guys. Please don't cancel us.
Please Google IRL.
So this is basically self, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, something like this. But okay.
Model is attached like impl.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This is also a bit weird. to switch.
No, why it's okay. Yeah, go.
So take the message and we match on the type.
On the type.
What is?
Okay. Yeah, it might be.
We need some documentation.
So T is the library.
Yeah.
Yeah.
T is a library and message is
Struct.
it's an interface.
Interface, yeah.
And what is type thing here? What is this?
I think it's an interface. So you're matching what struct implements, like the instance. What's the instance? Because there are different structs that implement the interface message, I guess. It's like an enum in Rust.
Okay. So if it's a key press, we also match.
Not literally, but yeah, you got the idea.
Yeah. We're just assuming, right?
Yeah.
We need to read the documentation.
Anyway.
It makes sense what you just said. So.
Okay, so is it a key press? Okay, TK message. Okay, so it's cool. What was the actual key press? I like this example. These comments.
You already started liking Go. Okay.
No, I like the quality of this example. The keys should exceed the program. Okay. Ctrl C and Q. Okay.
What I like is these are matched on the string representation. So if you remember ratatui, we have like a nested enum. Like there is event, there inside the event enum there is key event, and inside the key event there is the key and also modifiers. So you need to match for modifier and the key to match for like control combinations. But this is like better.
You like strings?
Yeah, I like strings.
Uh-huh.
No, I mean it's easier. Like it's super easy. Like look at this. It's just.
I know, but I prefer enums.
They just put this on the example, so I don't know. Like,
yeah.
For now, it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cursor. This is also a new syntax for me.
Yeah, you just
C.
C minus
style.
1. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, C star. Yeah.
Cursor. Okay.
Nice that they have Vim key bindings.
Yeah. Shout out to Charm. Shout out to you guys for having key bindings, man. Vim stuff. Awesome. The enter key and the space bar toggle the select the state for any item that the cursor is pointing at. So just logic there. And what is delete? We didn't implement it yet. What is delete?
Delete. I think it's like free of Rust. Of C.
Oh, this is a built-in function.
Deletes the element from the map.
Oh, so it's not like M selected. Oh, sorry. M selected like remove M cursor, but it's more like this. So it's like a exported at the root of the standard library.
Yeah.
It's like a global function. Okay.
Okay. What's this? Like why it's matching underscore and okay on M selected?
So
okay. So it's selecting, like this is what is selecting the underscore and you don't need it. But and okay it says if something was selected or not.
Yeah. I
so
guess.
if it was selected, then you delete
it's
it.
a boolean. Yeah. So. Okay.
Otherwise, you add an empty struct. So just to fill that that position. So it's like an hash. It's like a set. Sorry. Yeah. You fill it with an empty struct. Okay.
Yeah. All right. Why is this complaining? Cannot use M. Okay. Let me actually. Cannot use M as T model value in return statement. Model does not implement T model.
Okay, probably it's next.
Okay, let's move on.
Review. Yeah.
Control C and Q will return a T quit. Okay, we didn't actually look at that. So this is returning two things. First is the model, and the other one is the command.
Okay.
And
the command is like to quit the.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So if at some point we'll actually gonna check the commands, I think, because returning nil means that nothing. And okay, that's cool. The view method at last time to render our UI. Okay. Let's just copy now. Let's just copy.
Oh my god. It takes the model and returns a string. The string is our UI.
What?
Oh my god. It's mind blowing. What? Because the view describes the entire UI of your application, you don't have to worry about redrawing logic and stuff like that. Okay, that's nice. Like that's you define the model and then the view describes how to draw that model. And so you just update the model, probably the view is updated automatically.
Okay, but like the string is the TUI, right?
The string is a TUI. Okay, yeah, now that I think about it, kind of makes sense.
But okay, one thing that I don't understand is so this will return a model, right?
Yeah.
And right now it's what does it return? This self, because M is self. Yeah. And to implement model, or no, implement T model on the model struct that we currently have, we just needed to add this view function to it.
Yeah, is it called the model, the interface?
Yeah.
Okay.
But okay, that's not very explicit.
No, it's not. Yeah, it's implicit in Go. Let's say, yeah.
Okay,
it's not like you say implement trait for. Yeah, it's implicit. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm just trying to get used to it. Okay.
Okay. So what would you buy at the market? Iterate over our choices.
So now we can run it, I guess, but there's no run function. It's just we just define the model.
Yeah. For now, yes.
Let me actually hold on. Right now it's better. I'll just open this thing up.
Okay. All together now. Yeah, the main is the next.
The last step is to simply run our program. Just gonna copy this. T new program and initial model. If run returns an error, just exit. Run initializes the program and runs its event loops, blocking until it gets terminated by either program quit, program kill. Okay, so it creates the actual loop or thread that we need to handle. All right, I'm gonna import OS and I'm gonna run it.
Yeah. Okay.
This doesn't. Yeah.
It's not a TUI.
This is like we're rendering a string, and then like.
Are you sure this is the project that does TUI?
Yeah. It is, bro.
Okay.
Look at this.
Yeah, it's. I mean, the terminal is there, so it's not.
It is.
Okay, it's not going full screen.
Yeah, I mean, I think it goes full screen. If you look at.
Maybe we can have a look at the examples later.
This is the library. So, if you look at it, for example, this one. But there's an
Yeah, okay.
But I don't know, like you can also do this with Ratatouille as well. There is the terminal viewport. Like, 1 second.
Maybe this is what Atwin does.
Yeah, exactly. So there's this viewport which allows you to render on a specific part of the terminal, like this one.
Okay.
This is not okay. That was full screen, but
Yeah.
you can like
do
basically say something like this viewport thing. So fixed.
Nice. Okay.
So I think it was inline. So the viewport's height is fixed and specified in number of lines. So if you use inline while creating the terminal, like if you say inline 5, it will be just a 5-line height of just a place to render. So you can also do this with Ratatouille, but it's a bit interesting to see it as a first example, because normally when you say TUI, people think of like a full screen, like a new
that's what I was thinking.
and so on. For full screen, you need to go to alternate. Yes. There's an option to make it full screen. Yeah.
Okay. I will just admit my ignorance and do a step back and say that I'm new to TUI. So far this looks great.
Yeah. I mean, it's not super great, but I guess. I mean, the end
it's not super.
I mean, it's doesn't feel like a TUI. I agree with that.
Yeah. Okay, let's try to do it a TUI. So like make it alternate.
How do we do that?
Ask Copilot. I don't know. Bubble tea.
Are there examples in the repo that we can just run and take a look at actually? There are some examples. There's alternate toggle. Okay, let's actually run the examples. What do you think?
Nice. Okay. Yeah, we need this example.
The chat example. But this is also not like full screen. Composable.
Okay, yeah, I think we can. Yeah, I think it's better if we look at the examples and we play with it. Yeah.
So I'm gonna clone this.
So far, I would say that I like the architecture, like that you have the model and you edit it and it updates, but probably now we can play with it. Yeah. Ratatouille is not like that, right? It doesn't force you in architecture. You do whatever you want.
Yeah, but there's TUI realm. This is using Ratatouille, and it's Elm Architecture. So if you want the same architecture in Rust, you can use this.
Wow.
And it's like React type of a framework.
Nice. So it's a wrapper of Ratatouille.
Yeah, exactly. And
nice.
There's a demo here, and you can see like there are like components, like different components that you can define, and I'm guessing it works very similar to model, view, and what was the other one? Update. Thing. But cool. That's a topic for another day. So let's move on to. So how do I run examples in Go?
I think like you just run the main file.
Full screen example. Let's. Go mode needed. So okay. I don't know what Go mode is. Still, I think it's just a dependency, like manifest type.
This program will exit in 3, 2, 1. Interesting.
That did not satisfy me at all.
Do you want to look at it?
Yeah, let's take a look. But I want something pretty actually, because if you look at the stuff here, I want to see these things. Okay,
let's start. Like, I'm curious now, how do I... Yeah, okay, they have a event, which is a tick, and for every tick they go do minus minus in if 0. Okay, nice.
And where's the full screen? Oh
Hmm.
yeah, there you have it with alternate screen. So if you do this, you'll probably get alternate screen as well.
Model.
Initial model. So if I run it,
Wow.
I think
Yeah, you're an archer, I think. Yeah. Nice. Nice.
Okay, I want to see something pretty. Is there like some example that is super pretty or something like that? Demo something.
Chat was nice.
Let's try chat.
I got something for your mind, your body, and your soul.
I mean,
Looks nice. I mean, yeah, it's okay, but
okay,
yeah.
progress animated. This should be nice. Okay.
You like animations.
This should okay.
This looks beautiful. Yeah.
I mean, on here this looks better for some reason. Maybe it's about
No,
my terminal.
why?
I don't know. I think it's about colors. Anyways, it's fine.
Yeah.
You're probably satisfied, but I'm just I have probably I'm maybe expecting something different. But anyways, what do we want to do now?
Just find something that you are satisfied with, and we can look at the code.
Okay, package manager. How do I get past arguments to this? I could.
We can look at the code. I don't know.
The spinners.
Glamour. There's one called Glamour.
Is it taking forever? Should be good. Okay, now we're talking actually. Now we're talking.
Okay, the font is too big. Maybe.
I don't think so. It is like it is like that.
Okay. Interesting. What if you do try to do Ctrl C to quit? Downgrade the font. Yeah. Okay.
It's just
Don't
fixed size. So yeah.
But yeah, it's not correct.
Yeah.
What's going on?
I don't know.
Maybe we can do a PR.
But this is not. If you realize this is not built with. I don't think this is built with widgets. If that makes sense.
It's just strings.
It looks like it.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, that's like amazing. Another paradigm. Let's see. Yeah.
I got something here.
So this is the.
I mean, look at this.
I got something for your mind, your body, and
Just this is string.
Oh my god. Oh, so it's rendering markdown or what?
Yeah, I think this is a markdown rendering example because there's a crate called Glamour.
Glamour. Okay. Yeah, I know Glamour.
We
yeah.
just I thought that this was a TUI, but this is just rendering.
Okay, so yeah, this is the separator between the address and the lines are not aligned. Yeah, exactly. I don't know why.
Yeah, this is a markdown rendering library.
Like
okay.
you see, this is how it should like.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically on my lab. Yeah, if you open the GIF, is the tables are pretty. Yeah, I don't know why they look bad.
You know what I know about
Maybe
bubble
you're
tea?
missing some fonts.
Whatever. I think this is not really related to what we're gonna build. Just it's just rendering a string. Yeah. I know that bubble tea has a concept of bubbles. Have you ever heard of them?
No.
So it's like widgets. So common bubble tea components such as text input, viewport, spinners,
okay.
and so on. So
Now we talk.
Yeah, now we're talking. I think we need to use these to
Yeah.
build the things. For
Yeah.
example, the spinner text input, text area, table. Like, look at this.
Wow. Yeah, we need to do the table.
Yeah,
Okay.
list.
Nice.
So actually, let's combine one or two and make something.
Okay. It's using the charm markdown render underneath, so it's not. It's called the the charm. Yeah, it's called the glamour. Right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I want to see an example of a bubble. So list fancy. That's good.
Because you want to see how the bubble is inside.
Yeah, so I'm gonna run the list fancy. What? Random item generator. So I just hit a problem. When I run the main, it complains because the main is importing stuff from other files. In that case, what do I do? Probably just dot, right?
Wow.
Yeah, okay. Guys, now we're in the business.
Now we cannot go to LinkedIn skills.
Yeah, absolutely. LinkedIn. Let's go, guys. We made it. Come on, LinkedIn. New profile.
The fact that the view returns a string, I'm still mind blown.
Here's my skills, dude. I have 53 skills.
Okay,
I
let's
think
see
I already-
where you lied.
Yeah. I have goal, so
Oh, you're
that's
okay.
all-
You have
yeah,
two
but-
endorsements. Maybe
but-
I can endorse you.
yeah. Thank you.
On
Thank
Go,
you.
Go.
Thank you. I'm gonna actually add bubble tea here because you know.
Is there
Bubble tea.
bubble?
There you go, guys. Bubble tea save. Bubble tea added as a skill. Let's go. No thanks. All right, it's on the top actually. If you go to my profile,
Yeah.
it's right there. All right.
Okay.
So are we building the Go beer app?
Okay. How's the Go Beer app works?
List of beers
Okay.
and I don't know, like list to list. Let's try to do list with using bubble.
Maybe we can have a list of beers on the left and then on the right like a description or like with the percentage of alcohol type and stuff like that.
Okay, yeah, sounds good. Let's design it. Let's make it happen. So I want to actually get rid of everything. If you
I test you.
yeah, or just let's do like
Let's
this.
yeah.
Beers, and then maybe we should have just looked at the bubble example.
It's fine.
That's fine. Okay. I trust Copilot.
Remove the comma. Yeah. Oh, okay. I know two of them.
I know one of them. No, actually two. All right. The model will return nil, I guess.
Okay.
Squid plan, cursor. What is choices? It's just beers now. Enter nothing.
Yeah. Yeah. We should select the beer. But for now, no.
Okay. Then just comment.
Mm-hmm.
I probably did something wrong here.
Beware for coffee shop recruiters.
That's my dream job. I want to land a gig in Starbucks. If you know what I'm saying. It's time. It's time already. So I'll just delete this. Yeah, it returns a string. I don't understand. Like, how do you compose widgets then? Like, this is just a string. But anyways,
I mean, if you think about it, what we're seeing now, it's a string.
yeah, I
like
mean,
the terminal. I mean, it's
it
a
is.
string,
Yeah,
but it's mind blown. Yeah.
I mean, I would expect some abstraction on top of, like, you know,
Yeah,
maybe.
But like bubble tea gives you the basic, which is strings, and then there are the bubbles, which are abstractions. So I think it's quite clever.
Maybe bubbles are just strings too. We just
Yeah,
gonna
yeah,
find
but-
out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's mind blown of the day. Yeah. I had another one recently, but
Another what?
another mind blowing moment, but I don't remember now. Yeah.
During the live stream?
During this conference.
Okay. Mind blown so bad that you don't remember.
Yeah.
Okay. So bubbles. What am I looking at? Is there any tutorial or something? Probably they just want us to go to examples and copy things because there's not no.
Example code basic spinner. Yeah.
So I'm just gonna
like
probably
Yeah. Go
copy.
to the list. Yeah.
So do you want a default list, simple list, or all features?
All features.
Absolutely, my man. That's what I'm talking about. All right. There you go. You wanted all the features. It's 190 lines
I'm
of
not
code.
scared.
You're not
We
scared?
can do it.
Yeah. Okay. Then where do we start? There's something called lip gloss. It just
Okay, I heard of it.
keeps popping up. What is it?
It's like the coolest company ever, by the way.
Really? Yeah, they have nice like projects, like cool team. But if anyone from Charm is watching, just please let us know how do you make money from all of this, like, because
We were wondering.
Like, I'm super curious, guys. I mean, how?
Because he wants to do the same. So
Yeah, I'll just steal your business model. Come on.
Okay.
Style definitions for nice terminal layouts. So is it?
Do they have a sponsor? No. Like they don't even accept GitHub sponsors.
Yeah, they don't. What the fuck, dude? Like,
Maybe this is what you're doing wrong. You should remove GitHub sponsors.
you're right. You're right. How do we remove it? All right.
We saw some numbers.
Really? No, there was no numbers. It's public. This is the public profile. Yeah, I have.
Okay.
That's not money or anything. It's public.
Okay.
Don't worry. I didn't expose anything.
Come on, guys. We're at 74%.
Yeah, come on.
Come on.
In this stream, we'll hit 90 at least. I'm gonna send the link.
We're writing go. Like,
We're
what
yeah.
else should we do?
Yeah.
Like,
Please sponsor. Did you see my latest tier here on the one time? I
like
have.
we were together.
Yeah, right. Sorry.
Platinum Insta merge. Yeah.
My brain. But I didn't do it on the live stream. I did it afterwards. I didn't
Good
know.
job.
Yeah, thank you. Just trying to survive out there. So what do we do? Yeah, lip gloss. What is this? I'm gonna do the star. You know,
Absolutely.
just being generous today, but I'm gonna take the stars back if I don't like the library. So you better.
Okay. I think we're gonna like it from.
Style definitions for nice terminal layouts. This looks super cool, but I don't understand. What's the purpose of this library? Is it for
It's
the
just like
colors?
these are tabs.
No, it's a color library, like styling.
Ah, okay, nice. Yeah, just for colors.
They have a typo. What do you think?
They have a typo.
Yeah.
Like, I think you should remove the star.
No more stars. Fix the typo or
But yeah, the typo is in the image, so maybe we should like use paint or something.
guys, it's time to contribute. All right, it's time to contribute. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna very quickly contribute. There are VC backed as further with long-term vision.
Come on, let's read this probably. So Jaga says they are VC backed, as far as I know, from asking an employee, with long-term vision. Not sure what it actually means. Okay, that's basic definition of every startup.
That's why I didn't read it properly.
Okay, they are VC backed.
Yeah. But how, dude? Like, you're a startup and you're still making like lots of open source stuff. So what's the? Are you trying to like?
Yeah, they just want to get traction, and then at some point when they have enough users, they will do their own long-term vision, which we're not sure
What's
what
enough
it
users? They have like 6K stars on this thing already. They have like 5K
Yeah.
on this. No, it's just a widget library, by the way. It's not the bubble tea itself. Bubble tea has 27K.
is.
A lot of users already.
I don't know.
Guys from Charm, just hit me up in the emails. Let's talk about this. I'm gonna help you fix your. Hire me, please.
Okay.
I couldn't fix this because it's not an image in the repo. It's uploaded to GitHub.
Yeah, you can. So you can.
I need to download
You
it.
can like upload it.
Upload it back.
Yeah, like upload it somewhere in GitHub.
I wouldn't accept that PR because it's like changing a URL. How would I know that it's not malicious? Or like, if it was just the file in the repo, I would update the file. I mean, it's the same thing probably, but whatever. My motivation is gone for contributing. Too much work. What the hell I was doing? I don't remember. So yeah, this is the URL.
Okay, yeah, they would fix it.
Maybe create a issue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's create an issue.
Guys, creating an issue is also a contribution, so you know how it is.
Just do a screenshot. Is it the ghosty terminal?
This one? No.
Yeah, look
no,
here.
no.
Look here.
Yeah, but no. why there's a ghost in there? Where's the screenshot? I cannot see. Right, anyways, I'm just gonna use this.
Bug I think it's a security vulnerability.
I feel like what we're doing right now is too trivial for them, but typo in the image
Yeah, you were on the right track.
typo in the image in I don't like English in readme.
Yeah?
Okay, let me copy this. Hey. What? There seems to be a typo in the demo image in readme MD. There you go. Cheers. And I'm gonna just something. Copy that. Alright, just something.
Cheers. Yeah. Sure. So Adam says Parmaxis.
Parmaxis, no fingers, though I've never seen a name like that.
Yeah,
My man knows Turkish. Yeah. Such a nice name.
No, why did you delete the
What did you delete? Why?
You maybe thought it was offensive, but
I'm offended. I will ban you now. We ban you very quick.
Ad doesn't want to.
No.
Okay. So back on track. Go beer.
Go beer, yes. How do we do the list?
So the app style, title style,
These are all lip gloss.
status message. Okay, probably. Yeah. Okay. Okay, with the title, description, okay. Okay, with the list, a generator of item, some keys, and delegate keys, which I don't know what they are. I think it's easier if you look how this looks like.
Yeah.
Do you want to start with the simple list?
Yeah, I want to start with the simple one. This has too many things, and they should probably like have a very simple tutorial about it, because when you say there is like widgets outside of bubble T called bubble, I would expect like a general workflow, like add bubbles to your project. If you want to use list, add that, and here's how you can render it and so on.
Mm-hmm.
But right now it's not like that. Just need to figure it out ourselves.
Yeah.
Or maybe I missed something. Maybe there's a tutorial, I don't know. So bubble list. I'm gonna add that.
Maybe we need to give a name. Like
I don't think so. It's list as default.
okay.
I think
It
because
says could not import.
because I didn't do go get.
You did git.
Oh, sorry. Go get. Okay, I think I have a understanding of how things work now. So we will have bubbles there, and let's do a restart. You see me? Go around main. So what the hell is this error message? Missing go some entry for go module. Oh, maybe I needed to do list here. Okay. Okay, now it's fixed. So next thing, we will add the list to the model as a list model. And this is interesting. Contains show title, show filter, and some other status like stuff like some state. And contains a spinner, paginator, help.
Wow.
This is a huge struct, man. Oh my god, look at this.
I'm impressed. Yeah.
It has items. Okay, compare this with Ratatui's list. Source. You have a blog. But we don't have like different widgets inside widgets. So every widget is just separated from each other. In this case, they have other widgets in the widget. Like there's spinner, paginator. So let's say you want to have pagination or like a scroll bar or something like that. You would go ahead, render the list, and there's scroll bar, and you render the scroll bar separately. But in this case, they have everything in just one place.
It's great, yeah.
Yep. Welcome, Transhistoric. We just chilling. You're not late. We just learning Go. It's a journey, so just gonna continue. Bubble T is very cool, but almost any project I've seen is some sort of form. Multi-step wizard. Any dashboard is using different libraries. Things like K9S. Interesting. Some sort of form.
What do you mean? Like, what do you mean by using different libraries on top of bubble tea, for example? Hi, Pro Jesus. What do you think about the ghost error handling of always returning an error and destruct then the pattern of if error different from null? What do you think?
I don't like it that much.
You prefer exceptions, right? Try catch, old school.
Try catch and what was it? Finally. Yeah. What do you think?
Like I'm a Rust developer, so I prefer Rust where you need to explicitly handle the error. Like in Go, in theory, you can read the value without checking if error is not null. So there could be times where you forget, for example, to check the error, and so I prefer that the match statement you destructure the result. Result option. Yeah.
There was a really good talk about teaching Rust today, and I think in that talk, or if I'm not mistaken, maybe there was another talk, but it mentioned that in Go, the talk was about teaching Go, like teaching JavaScript and teaching Rust and so on. And it said, so as you have seen, when you call something, it returns two things, right? Either a value or just like a result or an option or just a boolean, right? And I think in Go's iterator type, or like,
do they have the errors?
not the iterator, but like when you iterate something and when you just retrieve a value in Rust, if you don't have anything left in the iterator, for example, it returns none, right? In Go, they mentioned that it returns the value and then an error for the last item. So it's a bit interesting.
Yeah, whatever, like you get used to it, and
yeah, but I mean it's not very intuitive, because for the last item, if there's no item left, you would expect an error, but instead you get the value and the error. So if you just check for the error, you'll probably discard the last item. So
oh my god, right, you're right.
Yeah.
And also, like, if these, for example, like these results come from an HTTP request, it might be that the error is an actual error in the request. There's no network, and instead you think, okay, it's the latest. Like we arrived, and you go on.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I'm not familiar with Go. Yeah, but yeah, I think Rust is more explicit.
Yeah.
But it's still better than like try catch. So
it's it's better. I agree with that.
Go is impossible to love after Rust. Yeah, I'm not like I've heard different opinions, but yeah, for anything after Rust is difficult to love. Yeah.
Do you know?
For me.
Do you know the library Bon?
Yeah, of course. He's from
He's
he's
one of the like the OG Rust devs out there, so he's probably hating us super badly right now because we're doing this.
Your TUIs on Go's error rendering approach.
Guys, it's shit. All right, you want to hear that? It's shit. All right, it's super bad.
No, come on.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay. I added the model, I think. And what's next?
I have Go on my T-shirt. Yeah, mention it again. The Go mascot and everything.
God damn it. By the way, do we still have music playing? Yeah. Just want to have high quality stream. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Alright, so after I add that, I think, what do I do? List, set size.
I think
this is for resale.
Yeah, maybe we don't need this.
But this makes me wonder, what other things that we can handle here? Like, okay, mouse action, mouse button. This. Then we'll just focus on the interesting.
You can blur like to hide pass sensitive data. Nice. Wow. So many inspiration.
Marco's becoming a terminal TUI developer after the stream, guys.
It's fascinating, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have time, but yeah.
Yeah, just too busy with Rust. Poor Marco is not.
No, I mean, yeah, like,
not gonna write Go.
No, I mean, a lot of inspiration for things you can port to ratatui and so on. That's what I mean.
What is that? What is ratatui? I'm bubble tea
It's
gang
just-
now.
Okay.
I like bubble tea. Okay. Shout out to all the Starbucks baristas out there, my homies. So list updates. Okay, let's actually run it. What do you think?
Yeah.
I don't know what this is doing, but probably just adding stuff to the list. What is it? M is model.
It's just that update loop. So it updates the model.
Yeah. I guess, but it's not working. Oh, it needs to be defined. I think we can use this.
Did we add this before?
No.
Why?
We only had. We just returning the model, but now we are updating. Wait, I'm confused.
Yeah, I don't get why now we need to call update and before we.
We're calling update on the list. I just added the list.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's for the bubble maybe. You have to
Yeah.
the bubble. Okay.
Oh, so if you have like components like list, button, and so on, you need to call update on each one.
If you want to update them, I guess. I don't know. But it kind of breaks them. I don't know. Yeah, too tired to judge architectures of other people that spend years on this.
But normally you would do. You're not tired.
Maybe I will give my first impressions.
You're just a savage, Marco. Okay, list view. That's very interesting.
Okay, because you return the view of the list because there's nothing else.
Okay, maybe we can run it now. It's super hard to read the error message, dude. I'm blind.
Okay, God developers, you need some
Okay,
colors, right?
Yeah.
Why there are no colors?
I don't know.
Because it's a panic. It's not a compiler error. It's a runtime error.
What
Invalid
happened?
memory address or need
What
pointer
the hell?
reference.
What am I supposed to do now?
Okay, it's line 74.
Thank you. That was not helpful at all. What did I do wrong? Maybe I'm returning. What is init doing here? Returning nil. Update. List view. Marco's just dying right now. It's too tired.
Yeah, exactly. But you can go on. Colors. Lol, wrong ecosystem. Maybe the classic needs debugging. Yeah, it's been a while. So, no, actually, yeah.
What do
I was writing types and guys.
Dark times.
Dark times.
The stack trace is not helpful at all, so you need to go to tgo.
Okay.
I don't understand. What am I supposed to do? And where does the error actually go? Like,
Let's do what every senior programmer will do. print the button.
All right. New. Update. Maybe I can also print the message. I don't know how to formatting go, but this should work.
I have no idea.
Maybe this.
Ah, right. So the C thing. Yeah.
Complete call has a
Is it?
possible. No, the
Let's-
functions have no like documentation. Like I would.
This is a package, and this is a function.
Sorry, but still no documentation at all. See what I mean?
Like no code examples.
Yeah.
Yeah, like Rust. Yeah.
Very nice. Let's run it.
Yeah, the print is longer, I think. Invite memory address. Okay, so nothing was printed. Let's print something in main. Okay.
Main and then
Main. Okay. New program. Initial model. Oh, maybe we need to initialize the list in the model.
oh. How do I do that?
What is the init?
Oh, we need to list item, list new.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do that actually. You're right, good catch. No, not new model. List new.
Close the parentheses. Yeah.
And items should be.
Okay, so you get what was going on. List was initialized to null.
If we don't provide it.
Yeah.
That's not. That's very implicit. You can easily just.
Yeah, that's what
Missed
Jaga was. He was complaining about this. He said sadly. So do you remember the cursor? He said sadly it's initialized to 0 because cursor is an int, but yeah, list is like a pointer probably, and so it's initialized to null.
Oh my god. Well, we don't really need the beers array anymore because we're gonna have it in the list like this. You see what I mean?
Yeah. Okay, so the list holds the value. Okay.
Can I make the copilot somehow complete this?
Just do the first one. It will do
Kind of switch. Corona, but it contains a title and a description. What is item?
Right.
What is item?
Just go do GD in your.
It's a struct.
So it can be a.
What?
Okay, for us this should be like beer.
Yeah. So just names, I guess.
Yeah, or we use struct beer with a.
Oh, sorry.
For now, names are fine.
Missing new line in composite. What? Constant type. What is item, first of all?
Maybe
It's an interface.
Can you go back to the example? Item. So it's just to the list of items. See how it was structured. Okay. And item, does it implement something? Maybe it implements view or something like the special.
It implements title, description, and filter value.
So maybe it's a string you cannot.
Let's
needs
see
to
the
have a-
interface. So filter value needs to be implemented, which is done here.
Because you need to. Okay.
But I would assume that if you have an interface, it should be implemented on like the standard types.
String. All
Like,
right.
you know?
So Tom Writer says this time was cooking together. Yeah. Because last time we just thought.
We cooked
Right.
a little bit,
Yeah.
like some rust, some old time habits.
All time. Yeah. Now
So-
we are two senior TUIs engineers. Go.
I just added bubble tea to my
Right,
LinkedIn, so
right.
you know how it goes.
Okay. So do you want to try to create a struct beer?
Do I need to?
I don't know.
I don't want to actually, because I will just have the string in there. And
So let's check the message from the command line. They don't have colors.
it's fucking annoying.
Cannot use Corona.
Constant-
String does not implement list item missing method filter value. I think maybe in Go is not. I'm not sure if it's possible to implement your interface for like a
Yeah, I see. what you mean.
standard type.
So we're gonna actually do it now. So it's string.
Oh, you want to? Okay.
Yeah, I want to implement it. I don't care.
You know that in Rust it won't work because of the orphan
Yeah,
rule.
I know. But whatever.
So the orphan rule is like you cannot implement iterate for a type that doesn't belong to you, basically to your
Yeah,
trait.
this is the orphan rule. Cannot define new methods on non-local type.
Yeah, perfect. Okay.
It's not perfect. It's annoying.
I mean,
It's
we should create our
yeah.
beer
Okay.
type.
We got the beer type. Whatever.
Yes.
Name. And then just copy. Okay, I'm gonna actually do it here. So beer filter value, and then just return i.name. And here, how do I? Okay, that sure. I never heard of any of these beers, by the way. And yeah, that should be it. List item. Oh, we need to provide the width and height too.
No, maybe it's optional.
But
Maybe
it
it's
says not.
0.
Yeah, but it says not. If it's 0, it's super bad. Like very hard to read. Not enough arguments in call. But in the example, it does not have them. Oh, it has, but 0.
It will be full screen at 0.
Hopefully. Let's read the documentation, which does not exist. I guess I need to go to here to learn about it. The first time that we're checking the Go documentation. Great.
I mean, that's a good thing of Go if you think about it.
Yeah, actually, yeah, that's a fair point. Where's the new? No mention of the int. Like the
Yeah.
Okay, anyways.
Probably they're mandatory, I guess. Arguments.
Oh,
We're cooking now.
yeah.
Can you run it on a bigger camera?
Yeah, sure. I cannot. Okay. It's broken. It's broken because we're printing a bunch of stuff.
I just realized that also bubble tea has a name related to food.
Yeah, it's a big thing in the terminal world. Okay, 5 items, which are not rendered. Awesome.
Okay, because we need to implement the interface title.
No, we don't need to. It's just filter value.
I know, but probably if we implement it, it will be displayed.
Why?
Because probably the list model calls those interfaces to render them.
But it only like it takes only the item interface.
So there was no. I
No,
dreamed
no.
about the title and description. It was in the example, right?
I think those are related to the fields.
Yeah. Look, line 18.
Yeah, but these are just
Try just line 18.
like getters for the struct.
Are you sure? It might be because I'm super tired.
That's fine. The grind must continue.
Okay, yeah, because I'm confused because so filter value is an interface, but title, yeah, you're saying
Yes,
it's just
yeah.
a normal method.
It's
okay.
not like so in Rust. Let's actually try it. Maybe it will work. We never know. No.
Okay, you were right. Yeah.
So in Rust, this would be impl
Yeah.
here, right? And these.
And
should-
this is impl item for
and exactly. So impl item for
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
So it's not like explicit. You just have to guess
yeah.
which one is the interface implementation, which one is the
Yeah.
custom one, which is kind of like counterintuitive, I think.
Yeah, but
It's not like
we're used to that.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I guess it's confusing because you don't say the name of the interface you implement.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Maybe it's a good thing, but right now it was a bad thing for our case because we don't really understand
Yeah.
what's going on. But why is it not rendering?
So let's see. Maybe in the example we're missing something. Update message string.
No, that's
No, okay.
maybe about this thing, doc style render.
Render. Yeah. I think probably we skip this.
Doc style. What is doc style? I don't think this is related. I mean, it's in the
What do
class.
we do in the view?
We are just calling the view on
Ah.
list.
I don't know who got that. Yeah, maybe it's not related unless the style is showing the text somehow.
It's very weird, man. It's returning a string. Like if I do this, it will just run. Oh my god. There are no items, but it's showing the index, which is good.
Yeah. Just missing the.
Maybe we actually need to.
Did you try to run this?
No. Actually, did we list default?
Yeah, let's give it a try.
List defaults.
Looks better than ours.
Actually, I'm gonna try the view thing here. So I'm gonna remove the doc style thing.
Good.
And no, it still renders. What's wrong in that code? It's not about the doc style stuff then. It's about something else.
Maybe we need title. Maybe the
List. What do you mean?
like the instead of name, let's try to rename it to title.
Yeah. Let's try it then. Like this, you mean?
Yeah, just a try. I'm not sure.
Yeah. No. I don't know. I don't get it, man. Get frame
Oh,
size.
wait.
Set size. Let me actually let me
Yeah.
actually copy that.
You need the
Oh, doc style.
What?
No, I don't think this is related as well.
no, but so the frame size we're not setting it. It's 0, for us. Maybe that's the error.
Oh, so I need to set it like this.
Set like 10.
No, I think it's fine. Okay, let's try 10.
Try, yeah, 20. Whatever.
There's just a pagination.
Oh.
I don't know, man. There's like no items in it. Maybe it's like that. Maybe it's not. The colors are maybe not
Yeah.
right.
I'm not sure. Yeah. So there are some messages. Orhun being a Rust dev trying to unwrap, but it's just a new. I wonder how it even compiles when you're missing some method imps for the interface.
You mean?
Yeah. No, it's yeah. If you try to comment the filter value. I wonder how it even failed if it compiles. It doesn't compile, for example.
Yeah, it complains. You just stuck.
Come on. Let's compare maybe side by side. I have no idea.
Okay. So I'm gonna go through this. Okay. Item. These are all okay, I think.
Yeah.
These are all okay. We already have the list in the model as well. That's also okay. So in update method, get the message handling, which is the same as here. And window size is just setting the window size. This is also done. Right. On view, this is calling the view. What is this? Oh, the same. This is the same. So just calling the view, and in main it creates the items. We don't create the items in main, but we have this thing that we just create the model and return the model, which is the same thing. We set the title of the list here. We're not setting the title. Maybe we can just do that. Maybe it's about that. I don't know.
I'm not sure.
List new. So can we do something like M model and M list set title? No, just title. And then return M. Yeah, we have the title.
Where's the title? Okay.
Maybe it's about the doc style.
Yeah, try to comment this. Comment here and
remove this too. What else?
Yeah, this one isn't, yeah.
Lip gloss is.
This is annoying.
Yeah, I mean.
Oh, okay, we found it.
Okay, so we need to import this, but why?
I guess you need
You just need it.
you need the style.
Why doesn't Go show snippets of code?
Yeah, the error messages are not. Yeah, I mean error messages. Exactly. Yeah, like there's no colors. Yeah, the error messages of the Rust compilers are another level, honestly, in my opinion.
You have a right opinion.
But probably we need error messages more than them.
More than what?
More than Go developers. Like we need more explicative error messages.
Yeah.
But I think this is common for like it's just with that we're spoiled. I think.
With what?
We're spoiled with Rust.
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
other compilers, they are not that well. there was I think there is a compiler engineer called Esteban saying that the rustc is a tool that reports error, and like on the side it also produces the binary.
Yeah, it's actually quite a bit of architecture work.
Yeah.
The errors are just insane to handle sometimes. So I added the thing, the doc style, and yeah, still does not
Is it
work.
commented or
No.
no? Okay, we need to do it do we need to do something with it? Okay, we need the case window. We need that case to have it.
Yeah. Window size message. I have it here.
Oh.
It's annoying. Maybe I need to do something else in.
What do you do now? So this is working, yeah. And finally,
Yeah, this
okay,
was working. This
okay.
is working now.
Yeah.
But it contains the description and wait, what is filter value doing? Returning the title, right?
Mm-hmm.
But in here we have title and description.
Right. Where is description used?
Nowhere.
Nowhere. Nice.
If I delete it, what happens? Oh my god. What? If I delete title?
No. That's okay. So if you delete description,
It doesn't render.
so like 20 minutes ago I was right when
Yeah,
I
but
said
it
we need the title,
It didn't work because we didn't have
the description.
No, we didn't have the lip gloss.
No, I mean before we just tried the title. Try to have. Yeah, okay. You need both.
Yeah, you
Sure.
need the style, and so if I remove the style from here, hold on, let me show it to you again. Oh,
No, but like this is insanity.
yeah.
Like,
Okay, I'm gonna just set the window size to 10 and run it, bro.
okay.
But I
So
mean,
you just need title and description. You don't need lip gloss, right?
this is fucking
like-
stupid, man.
How do I know what title is?
You wouldn't know. It's not mentioned anywhere. So there's
Like if you do GD something or go to find
GD to what?
GD
On
description.
title?
Yeah.
No, it's just defined here.
Yeah. But
Okay, let's actually return title for each.
yeah. Okay, it's working. It's too implicit. Like, how do you get? Like, you're reading an example. How do you get? Oh my god.
So if you search for description here, or like desk, maybe it mentions it in the bubbles. Well, the bubbles examples are just in the bubble T repo.
Mm-hmm. It's specific to lists. So we need to look in.
You need to look into the list module,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah. So I don't know how to pronounce. Do you know how to pronounce Vita name? Vita. I don't know.
I
Vita?
think his name is Vitaly.
Vitali.
Yeah,
Okay.
Vitaly, yeah, the
Okay.
real name.
So he said, as I said, after Rust there is no going back to Go. For me, it's not like going back because I never went there. So, is there some reflection going on? Removing a method still compiles. That's what I meant. Yeah, you're right. I guess filter value is required, but probably like title maybe as a default implementation, which is this string, empty string. I don't know.
Yeah, but how do we know that?
Yeah, you just look at the source code. Now I'm very curious about this. Yeah.
So in the list,
Okay, we're in
I
the
think
list.
this
Yeah.
is the list.go,
Look,
all right?
description.
Let's just read it.
Really?
Let's
Okay.
read the whole thing, okay?
Yeah, why not?
There's a interface called item, contains the filter value. We already implemented that.
Okay.
That was needed, all right?
Okay.
Item delegate. General functionality. Okay, this is not related to what we have done. It's in the constructor of the list,
Mm-hmm.
but it's fine. We can figure that out. Filtered items, just skip that. Rank and stuff like that. Default filter, not related. So I'll just filter. Okay, model is
That's
yeah.
stuff.
yeah the actual thing. Contains title.
Where is this used?
And-
Oh my god, this is it.
No, this is public because it's uppercase.
Okay, but
We need to override it, I guess. And if
where
you-
is description?
I cannot see it. No, this is not the.
This is not the
this
method.
is not
It's
the.
the field.
It's the model.
It's the
model's title. So we already
Okay,
set
okay,
this
okay.
here.
Right. Okay.
We set
okay.
this here.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Okay. We need to go to the list item, right? Here,
Uh-huh.
bro. What was it? Not list item. What was the name? No, there's no such thing as list. Oh, list.item. Okay, we need to go to here.
Mm-hmm.
There's no description. I'm just gonna search for description. Okay, fuck it. There's no description mentioned in the whole module.
Okay. So it's in the bubbles repo. We can use GitHub search. I don't know. Now I'm like now I want to. Now I want to know. You can ask Copilot like what you just
I'm just.
you're dead. Okay. Default item. Look for the type default item. We just didn't read the README. This was explained.
Really?
There is a README in the list.
But how do I know that? That there should be some reference to it because I looked at it. You know, I was just going through the README,
List,
and
yeah.
there, I looked at this thing, and there was like no links to it, and there were just links to
Yeah.
the examples.
Right. Maybe we should add they should have the docs.
Should we add it now?
Yeah.
Contribute, maybe.
I don't know. It's too.
Just never mind.
Because like you need to do it for everything.
Yeah.
I think
Yes.
you can just open an issue and say consider adding link to the README for every component.
Okay, let's do it. New issue.
They're gonna block us from GitHub.
Whatever, man. I love them anyways. Let's
So-
see here,
Go is not Rust. You shouldn't expect it to be. I think you should add description in the struct. Yeah. We don't expect Go to be Rust. We're just confused. We just want to understand where is description implemented. Yeah, I think Go is more implicit. Yeah, and yeah, we just did this stream because we were curious. Yeah.
Yeah, this is not like this is not a proper way of learning Go, I think, because you would probably just read the documentation and go a bit slow. But we just want to make something real quick, and then like we probably skipped many things along the way.
Yeah, and yeah, as I said before, it's great that we are able to write Go without learning Go. If you think about it, it's quite amazing.
Yeah, quite good stuff.
And yeah, to respond to Vitali, they don't have a docs website. Yeah, so they don't. They have their GitHub repository, and if you go to list here, yeah, there is this README. That's it, I think.
Yeah, the default item. If we just saw this somewhere, we'll probably figure it out earlier. But it's not really here.
Yeah, but the item doesn't have the.
The default item is not a part of the
because list. So there are a few things you need to it's written up there are a few things you need to do to create a custom item. First off, they need to implement the list item and list default item interfaces. But like our code, as Vitali was saying, it was compiled even if we didn't implement title and description. So now I'm confused.
Yeah.
And yeah, like it's like in Rust you just this is written in the type system. I don't know.
I want to search for the default item.
Yeah.
I don't.
Yeah, so I can give you the path.
It's not a part of the
list / default item.go. It's a file.
Okay, how do I?
In this.
I'm gonna do a little hack.
And
then
there we go. So now it's where is like description implemented or
yeah. There you have it.
Is there a default implementation?
No.
Yeah, then I don't.
No default delegate.
Then I don't understand.
Hold on. Maybe I should search for description.
Yeah. Can you check?
No. So it's empty. Probably. Or just nil. But if it was nil, probably would get a panic or something.
But why, if we don't implement list filter value contains, and if we don't implement description, it doesn't fail? What's the difference?
I think it's because we are very specific with the list item. But yeah, if you want to use the list.item, you need to have something that implements the item, but we're not using the default item anywhere. It's internally being used, so we don't know what's going on in there. So we just didn't catch this.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you didn't read the documentation, it's quite hard to actually figure it out. You need to like read through the code, and it's not a part of the list.go anyways. But yeah. Customizing styles. So did we fix this? There would be no description, so just actually let me try nil.
Just fine. Okay.
Well.
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
How do I return nil then?
Why?
I'm just curious.
You can't, because that returns a string.
But maybe I want to return it in some cases. Is it possible?
I don't know.
Like you want to
Yeah,
Think-
maybe you
think it
need
like
to
a-
return a like pointer. I have no idea.
probably, yeah.
Okay.
That worked.
Yeah,
Okay.
because now description is a new.
It's not a part of the interface now.
Yeah,
Because it's the signature is not the same.
I think so. Let's see.
It's so freaking weird.
Yeah, it's working as expected.
Okay.
Yeah, makes sense.
Makes sense, but at what price?
Yeah, your sanity. Yeah. No, like this is crazy. Yeah.
Okay, now we have the Go Beer app. Oh, where is it? Hey Lucas, how's it going? Welcome. Can you just move your laptop just a bit because it's
Oh,
front of the camera.
sorry.
No problem. Just you're just in the zone. I want you
Yeah.
to be visible. So
Yeah.
that's why. So let's read something else from the bubbles. Try to add it. What do you think? Do we have time for it?
One bubble.
One bubble, guys.
Like we were thinking about showing to the right of the list,
Yeah.
but it's a bit complicated. You decide.
It's a good challenge, but I don't know how to make it happen. In ratatui, you'd create a layout, split everything, and then like land it on the right side. But I don't know how it works in
Right.
here.
It's just a string. Come on.
Just a string. Okay, how do we do it in string? We have the list. So for
yeah,
every
the width with the width. I don't know.
it's super.
It's weird. Yeah.
So there's a basics tutorial, which is just one file, which is exactly the thing that we just read.
Maybe we should look at more examples. I don't know.
Okay. Is there a layout example? No.
Let's see if I find something.
So I want to show you actually an example TUI built with bubble T. It's basically, one second. If you run this command, yeah, this is built with bubble T.
Nice.
So this is the list that we just used, right? There's the tab list, and if you enter, this is markdown.
This is super cool.
This is the tabs
Nice.
list. The
Wow.
list. Or maybe these are tables. I don't know. But it's basically just the composition of tab list, some spinners or like some progress bars, but I actually didn't see something like a layout
Yeah.
before.
Yes.
So I don't know how to make it happen.
Yeah.
So all the examples of bubble tea examples that I saw there, usually just.
What about
they
these
just-
views?
Composable views. Interesting. Uses spinner timer. Okay. I don't get it. Oh, here we
Join
have it.
horizontal. Yeah. So it's part of lib plus, the one with style.
This is just a string operation.
If you think about it, it's very powerful.
It is, but you expect something else, like some,
Yeah.
but okay, sure. yeah, we know how to do it, but I don't have energy to do it actually.
No, I mean, if you think about it, it's it's genius. I don't know, like you take the new lines and you attach the next thing.
Yeah,
and
that's
then,
what
like,
I mean, I think it's very straightforward.
Yeah.
When you say that you want to like render something on the right side, you basically go through each line and just add a padding and then append some string to the right,
Yeah.
and that's it. Like that's how you compose everything together, and it looks like a layout. But in reality, in Ratatouille, we are using it's cassowary,
I don't know.
and this is a constraint solving algorithm.
Yeah.
And
Because in Ratatouille you have like percentages
Mhm,
and stuff.
mhm.
Here they just concatenate everything.
yeah,
maybe.
exactly, yeah. But I feel like that they're just doing string operations.
Yeah.
To handle the layouts, but in our case, we are actually calculating some things. Like you
But
have.
probably they are calculating too, because like when you have full
Yeah, I
screen.
mean, of course they're calculating, but I feel like this is like their approach is a bit more just string oriented.
Yeah.
So
That's very interesting. Do you want to draw some conclusion?
yeah, let's draw some conclusions.
Well, I have some conclusions.
Go ahead.
So, let's see some comments first. Maybe you will find what you're looking for in soft serve repo.
The soft service, the Git thing that I just showed you.
Okay. So I have some conclusions. Yes. So things that I liked about Go, that like it was straightforward, like we were able to code for 2 hours without looking at the documentation. In two seconds in 2 seconds basically we created a new project, we were up and running. The thing that I didn't like about Go was that interface, implicit interface. It was very confusing for us and we got stuck on that. Regarding bubble team, I think it's very cool, very powerful. The string thing is like mind-blowing in a good way. Like I realized that you can do a view in the terminal just by returning string, and if you think about it, it's very powerful. Like you don't need to know HTML, CSS, like it's just a string. So that's very powerful to me. Maybe if they link the README of the component in their list, it's easy because you both read the docs and the examples. Your experience about our journey, Orhun?
So Go actually taught me to be humble and expect less from life, because everything was I was always expecting more from it. While we were creating the project, I was expecting to run Go new and that thing creating the cargo tom, like Go tom or whatever, and then having a 3-4 files when we start writing Go. But it taught me to be humble, have one file, have main Go there, and just start writing code rather than worrying about the dependencies or anything. So the bubble tea also I had different expectations for it, because I was expecting to deal more with types when it comes to rendering the widgets and rendering the UI, but it's more like it focuses more on the architectural side, I think, with the model view in it and model view in it, update and so on. So I think it looks very powerful, but I need to try it for myself to see that. The string stuff in the UI methods is very interesting. when you think about the TUIs, they are just the characters anyways. So they kept that simplicity,
Yeah.
but built the architecture on top of that, which is kind of interesting to see. I need to, like I said, play around a bit, compose different layouts and different widgets and see how they interact with each other. Basically, I need to just play around a bit, but overall, it kind of I'm a bit surprised about how everything works smoothly together. On the downside, the the compiler errors they were terrible. Um,
Yeah.
Awful stuff. No colors. We
Just the formatting.
yeah
Right.
formatting, and also what happened? We get the runtime panic. What was the reason for that?
Yeah, like the fact that you are not forced to initialize every field of the structs.
Yeah, that was that was not good. You probably need some Go experience to know where to look to find that error, which we didn't have. Obviously, we just dive into the bubble tea straight up. No
Yeah.
Go experience at all. I'm talking about myself mostly. I don't know if you have any.
No. I have experienced like debugging null in other languages, and I would say it's not
Okay.
fun, regardless of your experience with the
Yeah.
language. Yeah.
Other than that, the interface stuff is definitely a bit weird because we're coming from a more explicit language, and Go is handling things more implicitly. You have some implementation for some struct. You never know if it's coming from a trait or if it's just a custom implementation. It's a bit weird in that sense. But if you know Go and if you write Go, it's probably just a normal thing. We just need to probably get used to it a bit, and maybe it's a better thing. We don't know. For our case, we kind of had some issues debugging stuff because we didn't know it was actually possible. But
I think there's no
Yeah.
better and worse. They're just different. Like
Yeah.
Go is tends to be more simple, more readable. And so like if you want to get something faster, like getting done something faster, you want to be more implicit. But if you want to get something more readable, then maybe you want to be more explicit. So it's a trade-off.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, those are the downsides, and syntax wise, I think it was fine. Like, I mean,
Who cares?
yeah,
Come on, guys.
yeah, come on.
Let's just get something done. Who cares
Yeah.
about? Stop complaining about syntax.
Yeah. So those are just two issues, like the error stuff and like the trait, like, the interface stuff. Those are a bit weird for me.
Yeah.
But if I read the documentation, they will probably make more sense. But yeah, I
Yeah,
guess
overall it was super nice, yes. And as Vitaly was saying, maybe you'll find something to steal for Ratatouille. I think
Yeah,
definitely
absolutely.
like you can steal like 100,000 ideas from this. Like even the lists with the pagination, like this is super mature, yeah. So nice stuff.
Yeah.
And I think the fact that it's just strings, I think if you want to get like a TUI very quickly, like this is probably more straightforward than with Ratatouille, because you already have the model view. I don't know.
Well,
I'm not sure. Just tried Ratatouille for a couple of hours.
Let's think about this. So to be able to render a list, we needed to go through the bubble. But we created the project first, and we imported the bubbles.
Yeah.
And then in those we imported the list, and then we needed to figure out what to do with the list, right?
Yeah.
In Ratatouille, let's try it. Actually, there is one example. So run example list. So it's also a to-do list. And you just run it, looks okay. And if you look at the code, let's find it. The problem with the examples is that they are demos. They're really examples. So it's a bit hard to figure it out first. We need to refactor it. But basically, what you need to do is you don't need to like import from somewhere else. You just have one snippet that you need to render, and that's it. Maybe it's better if I show from here. So if you go to the list, there's this code, and that's it. Like that renders. So in compared to Bubble Tea, you can like add widgets by just copy pasting snippets and just playing around. In Bubble Tea, it felt like you need to go through some steps to understand how to interact with them.
Update multiple places.
But for this, of course, you need to like handle the state and so on. But at least rendering it is easy as that. You don't need to like implement something on it or like deal with interfaces and so on. But there are definitely like more like differences than just talking about like on a very basic level. So
it's also good that in Rust, like that ratatui doesn't impose an architecture in some way. That you can choose your own.
We're not sharing the screen.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just sharing this basically.
Yeah.
Sorry, say it again.
Yeah, like it's good that we have also like ratatui is low level, so like you can do it like this, and we have the framework that grabs ratatui that is model init view.
Yeah, the Elm Architecture. TUI realm.
So people have the choice to use whatever they want. But overall, it was nice, I think.
A lot of things to take out from this. I cannot speak anymore. It was quite fun. I think I'm gonna give Bubble Tea a go, and I want to see more about this. Like I want to handle some threads, maybe I want to have some Go routines, or like I don't know, some more complex event handling, and see how it feels like, because it's our competitor.
Absolutely. You want to switch to the scene now?
Yeah. So guys, last 5 minutes. Let's take some questions. If any, probably nobody's watching at this point. Everyone left, but you never know. You have haters, so they're always watching.
What kind of haters do you have? We don't talk about it.
Like what kind? They're just haters. Like do you mean like hating on the code? Or
what
like,
do they hate?
just overall me.
No, how? I
Like
don't believe you.
Being racist.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. How was Rustlang? Hope you had fun. Yeah. Go. How was Rustlang?
Got Oxide t-shirt, so definitely.
It's like good quality.
Yeah, super good quality. It was in a special package.
Just with the name Orhun on it.
No. Just I tore it apart, but like a really good packaging.
Like the color, I'm noticing that it's not black. It's like green, but like.
No, you're just too tired. It's black. Maybe.
Like it seems green.
Maybe, I don't know.
Anyway.
How was Rustlang?
Our Rustlang is great as every year. Yes. I did the workshop. Orhun did the terminal workshop about ratatouille. The talks are great. The people are great. The food is great. So what else can we ask? I don't know.
The hotel is great.
The hotel is great. So yeah, just go come next year. Yeah. How do I capture the keyboard inputs globally in Rust?
Globally.
Like you have your how do you write so you have your daemon,
Mhm.
and you capture your keys as you are. Yeah, exactly, like Dactylo. Exactly.
I think I use. What did I use actually? Hold on.
So Dactylo is this
Yeah.
project that does sounds every time you type something.
Yeah, I use this RDev. Super simple.
It needs sudo, right?
No.
Okay.
Just code.
Maybe yeah. In Mac you need to.
Mm.
I opened the issue.
Yeah,
If you remember,
in Mac,
in
you
Mac
need
you
some
need
function.
missions because the terminal cannot listen to terminal like to characters. Yeah. When the haircut reveal
They're asking to you, I think.
to me,
Yeah.
like they are
No, no,
already.
no.
You're the one with the ads.
Join the Discord. You're already on Discord.
Yeah.
I'll put up a new tier on GitHub sponsors for that. So stay tuned. Someone wants a keylogger.
Yeah, like to capture the keyboard.
Actually, there's yeah, just install Dactyl. You'll see. Yeah. Getting the passports on me.
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's stay here for 2 more minutes. Okay. People seem to be still watching, so.
Yeah.
All right, Marco, tell us about your life. How's the Rust Foundation? How are you feeling?
We already talked about
I'm
this.
gonna ask this every month.
Yes, still going good. Yeah, absolutely. Yes. Having fun. Yeah, some challenges, of course. Like Rust is more than 10 years old, so like for example in the CI, now I'm working on the CI, and like it's tough to understand, but yes, small steps, I guess.
Making the world a better place. I appreciate your efforts,
Yeah.
man.
I try. I don't know.
Nice stuff.
Not a keylogger. I want to make a TUI to show keystrokes. Ah, nice.
There is hold on. Let me switch. There's lyrics something. Something about lyrics.
Home Rider said Orhun to Marco every time. How is Rich Life Marco?
It's just a joke every time.
Yeah.
Because every time I see Marco, he's just leveling up, bro. Like, what am I supposed to say? Like, I see him like a month ago, and then he's like doing something else, and then like always keeping up the bar super high. So gotta ask that. I couldn't find the project, but there's one project where you can actually see the keyboard when you press the keys. It's a TUI, and it's for like speed testing, like what is it called?
Speed. Okay. Yeah.
Typing speed,
Yeah.
type tracer thing. But yeah, it shows the keyboard, and also you instead of just words, it's like song lyrics. So you just input your favorite song, and you just type the lyrics.
Oh, what? What do you do?
So instead, like normally, to measure your typing speed, there are some random words appear on the screen, right?
Okay, but you type your song.
Yeah, like
Nice.
like I don't know. You search for a song,
Yeah.
and then it retrieves the lyrics, and you type the lyrics.
Fast.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay,
nice.
nice.
Yeah. So when is the next next stream? When is the next time we were going to meet?
What's your next conference?
In Hong Kong.
I'm not going to be there, unfortunately.
No, we probably not gonna make it then.
Oh
Next
no,
year.
I'm sad now. I'm very sad now.
But I don't know, man. I can just come around, visit you maybe.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. Are you okay with that? Do you want
Yeah.
do you want me around?
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
sure.
Thank you.
You just asked me publicly, so I couldn't say no.
It's a tactic. You guys heard it, so
Yeah, exactly.
I got myself invited.
Yeah. Well,
No, I'm just kidding.
absolutely.
He's just a very nice guy. I mean, if he doesn't want me, I'll just disappear from his life.
Okay.
But is faster or Marco? Probably him. Do you
Mm,
wanna actually? Okay, let's do it. Come on. Come on.
So actually, this is not my keyboard like I have on the Mac. Like I usually use another keyboard. What's the website? Monkey type.
Monkey type.
Yeah. So yeah, monkey type. Yeah.
All right, guys. What am I doing?
Oh. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. You're much faster.
Nah.
Yeah,
100.
you are much faster.
So 107 and 77.
Yeah,
Accuracy 95, 98.
good
Yeah,
job.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Good job.
Great competition. Great stuff. Keep it up.
But time, like we had the same time, so it's possible. All right, because it's that's you do it for 30 seconds. Okay,
Yeah, we just did it for the same time.
but this is the keyboard we usually use, right?
Yeah, but
Okay.
I don't actually use my 10 fingers. So I just
Because your
use,
finger.
Yeah. Good catch.
What do you use?
Just these ones, like this.
How do you do the P?
This.
Okay.
How do you
Okay,
do the?
so
How do you
it's
do
good
the,
that you're not watching.
how do you do the P?
So like I'm not good, so I do it like this, but I'm more like I want to buy a new keyboard and like use the
Pinky.
pinky.
I don't use pinky at all. I just use this.
Yeah.
I mean, is it bad? I don't
Yes.
care. Like, I can type, so
Yeah, you can type quite fast. Yeah.
I have big fingers, so you know, can,
Okay.
it's fine. I think there's some global Rust conf in Poland.
Yeah.
What was the name? Rusticon?
Yeah, maybe.
Rusticon. I actually sent a talk proposal, but then I withdraw it because it conflicts with the Rust Asia.
Okay. Wow.
So
We have so many Rust conferences that
Yeah, I
they are on
mean-
the same day. Crazy.
yeah. What laptop is that?
Mark. Okay. Yeah, this one is I have to say it's a MacBook Pro. Yeah.
Get out.
I will, don't worry. But yeah, I like to hide the logo. Yeah, but if I don't know if you can see, there
Yeah,
is
we can
an
see it.
Apple. Yeah.
You
Did
know,
Orhun trade for speed training?
no, I just did it.
Just grinds every day, so
Yeah.
it trains every day. Yeah.
Not even using my pinky. So just imagine what I could do using.
Yeah.
I don't have fingers, but anyways. I feel like we're just dragging the stream along. Let's just finish it up because Marco needs to sleep. I need to sleep. It's been a long day.
Tomorrow is another day of conference.
Yeah. When are you gonna get up in the morning?
As late as possible.
Okay. 12. They do MacBooks in black.
Yeah, the new one, the old one now. This is an M3. Yeah.
Nice flex. Okay, guys. Thanks.
But it's not as black as the ThinkPad. Like if you compare them, yeah, you can't see it. But yeah, this is more black. yeah.
Windows music after Rust. What's up with you, Mark? Oh, good question. What do you do?
Oh, okay. So from time to time I play guitar, but very rarely. Then I go to the gym as this man,
Nice, nice.
and then like usual stuff, cinema, a bit of video games, and that's it.
What do you play?
So I played Diablo 4 with my girlfriend, but like at one point, like I was like level what's the maximum, 100? Yeah, I was level 100, killing all the most difficult bosses, and yeah, I said okay, it's better that I uninstall it. So that's what I did. And then for now we're playing Detroit Become Human, which is like a multiple choice game. Like yeah, you need to take decisions and so on.
You mentioned Baldur's Gate.
I want to buy it. Yeah.
You want to play it? Okay. Cool.
You don't play video games? No.
Sometimes Minecraft. Sometimes like just vanilla Minecraft, not modded, just regular survival. But these days, no, not really. Should I? What do you recommend? I don't have a console. Like
No.
no.
Like if you feel tired and you feel like you don't want to think about coding, I think it's a good distraction. But I would say there are more wise ways. I don't know, like maybe having a work is more healthier. I don't know.
Do you see my book?
Ah, nice.
You guys cannot see, but I put it there. I'm reading this book. I have a, yeah, I like books these days. But sometimes it's really good to just have some company and play a game together.
Yeah. I also like board games.
Oh yeah, nice one. Do you like Go?
I actually am curious about Go. I want to learn.
It's good. It's really good. I like it. Like it's a really good strategy game.
Okay, cool.
Today, I was sitting we were listening to some talk with Matthias, and he asked me, like, the talk was about Go at some part, and he asked me what is Go, and I said like a tabletop game, and he said okay, thank you. That's true.
Okay, so cool plugins in Marco's life as well, and nice team. Hope to see you guys very soon. Thank you from Writer. I got a reply. Aiku again. Nice indie Metroidvania. I like Metroidvania. Yeah. Do you know?
I don't know what it is.
So, like maybe my description is not correct, but like they are. Do you know Castlevania?
No.
Like it was a 2D game where you explore the map. At some point you get stuck, and so you need to go to another direction. Maybe you get stuck because you cannot jump that high. So you go to another direction, you beat a boss, and then you gain the ability to do double jump. So you can go there and do the double jump, and so you basically you find new powers, and so you explore the map and like I think it does a good feel of completions, like because you complete the map piece by piece. I'm not sure if probably it's I didn't give the definition because I don't have it. I just gave you an example.
It sounds fun and very addicting.
Yeah, but usually they are not like endless games like Diablo 4.
I see.
You just do the entire map.
Yeah, because I mean, what happens if you get stuck and you don't know what to do? Then like you stop playing, you just think about.
You just look on the internet.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. It's not like programming then.
I know.
Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. Guys, thanks for tuning in. This was us. I hope to make this thing happen sometime in the future. We don't have anything planned, but next year, yeah, we'll make it happen.
Yeah.
At some conference, or if maybe you'll come around in Turkey somewhere.
Yeah.
If my passport expires, you gotta
I
come
will
around.
come.
Okay.
Yeah.
And yeah, I actually, if you're also going to some conference, just let us know, because I mean I want to meet you guys, but I mean nobody in the chat actually came to Rustlab, so it would be nice to have some viewers, like live audience
Yeah.
at some place too. Like that would be super nice.
Yeah. Next
Yeah.
year I'll be at Rust Nation, Rust NL, Eurorust.
Everywhere.
What's the next one? RustConf. These four for sure.
For me, it's Rust Asia. I mean that's enough. It's good travel.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah. I guess have a nice.
Yeah, I have a call
Okay.
to action. If you enjoy these streams, sponsor Orhun on GitHub, because yeah, he's putting a lot of efforts into these streams, and yeah, his open source work and so on. It's really hardworking. So support his work. Yeah, there is RustConf. Usually is between Canada and so on, like the American continent. Yeah.
Nice. We'll join after Ukrainian borders open. Sounds good, man. If you come around, just let us know. Like, I don't know where to go this year, but let Marco know at least. You guys can
Yeah, absolutely.
hang out. It'll be nice.
And yeah, big love from Italy.
Yeah.
Italy. Yeah.
Big love from Italy. Yeah.
We're in Italy.
We're in Italy. I sometimes forget. It's hard. So yeah. Thanks for joining me on this journey.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah,
It was nice. It was fun.
Yeah, for me it was super nice. And I guess have a good night or good day or whatever your time zone is. And thanks for joining. We will see. I will see you on next live stream or whatever. But just one applause for Marco, please. Just
Thank you.
one applause for. So yeah, do you want to say something before we go?
I'll just say thank you for staying with us, yes, and all the advices you gave us. Thank you.
Yeah.
It was fun. See you at the next one.
Yep. Take care, everybody. Goodbye.